Hey Lawn Dogs, Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, UlnarLawnCare.com. Hey, we are here at Lowe's getting ready to do well, I gotta go shopping for something. I hope they have it. But I already bought what I'm gonna show you after the intro, so anyways, and I apologize. I know this video is a day late. I got sidetracked yesterday. It's just been a crazy couple days, and I apologize. But here it is. Here's the unboxing and the new toy. Well, if you read the title, you already know what it is. But anyway, watch this. I'll be right back. Boom! So, are you ready for this unboxing? Let's do this. It'll be the greatest unboxing to date for Ulnar Lawn Care, besides the Kubota and the backpack blower and the trimmer. All right, well, it's somewhere on the top 10. Anyway, just check it out. Well, there it is. Simpson 3000 psi 2.4 gallons per minute power washer. Got tired of taking my mowers to the car wash, so we got this, and we're gonna unbox it and give those babies a bath. So let's unbox it, put it together, and then wash. And I got some special purple cleaner to try. All right. Always have the right tools for the job. Alright. We got the instructions there. It's going to be the handle. Whoa! Cat box. Hoses. Other part of the nozzle. A power washer. Soap, it looks like, pre-sample, and a hose. So that's everything right there. And we're gonna put this bad boy together. It doesn't look too hard. Ta-da! All together. Now I know what you're thinking. This doesn't look like the 3000 psi 2.5 gallon pressure washer. And that's because it's not. Believe it or not, I put it together, I did everything, filled it with gas, filled it with oil, hooked up the water, hooked up the hose, turned the water on, choked it, everything fired it up, and it immediately blew a gas line, started leaking everywhere. So I went back to Tractor Supply and took the leaky gas power washer to them, and they exchanged it for this one. Well, they didn't really exchange it. I upgraded. So I got rid of the Simpson motor and went with a Honda motor. So this is the 3600 psi 2.5 GPM Honda GX, what is it, 200 engine power washer for the 5 nozzles. So we're gonna put this thing to the test and clean these mowers. Let's watch. So we're using some purple stuff to wash this down and just apply the layer of soap. We're going to let it sit for a minute and then we'll rinse it off. So I applied another coat of this purple stuff, just to help it again, see what it does. I personally don't think it did bad on here, but the real test is going to be that Toro behind me. So let's get that switched out and get it clean. So this is after one coat. We're gonna try another coat. Several lawn dogs, I think it actually helped them clean them up a lot. You look at them, they're a lot cleaner. But are they perfect? I don't know. I don't know what. What? Kids are so annoying. Anyway, a lot cleaner. Let me show you what I'm using. It's probably not the purple stuff you're thinking of. This one is Purple Power. So I know there's other stuff out there. Simple Green. There's the other purple one that you guys keep talking about. So I mean, I don't know. I don't know if they do better or not. But as for the pressure washer, I loved it. The pressure washer worked great. The Simpson 3600 psi 2.5 GPM. This thing worked great. Definitely happy with it so far. But it's only been one day, one use. We will use it as we go, and I'll let you know more and more as we use it. But there it is. Honda GX engine. Boom. Alright, that's about all with the power washing. This whole day's been a bust. So this whole day has been a bust. Not so much a bust. The guy's out working, the crew is out working, making that money, but like everything I wanted to do today, like I had a list of 5 things I wanted to do, and I got maybe 2 of them done. I got the blades changed on the Kubota, which kicked my butt, believe it or not. I couldn't figure out why I was having such a hard time with it. But I got them on, figured it out. Basically, I was not seating the there's a washer thing right. Kind of dented it a little bit, but was able to get it fixed and get it on. I got a couple spares on order, so when I change out the blades next time, I'm gonna put the new ones on. But it's working. It's cutting great. I tried it. It's cutting great. And then the power washer, when I got that, you know, that the other one, the 3600 2.4, and it started blew up gas everywhere, and it just today has been one of those days, you know. But I learned, which is key. I got to remember, you know, just because I was doing this maintenance stuff, the guys are still out mowing, even though I wanted to be out mowing because today was beautiful. But I'll be out tomorrow, so you'll see some footage on Sunday of that. Me and Morgan, and the guys are gonna do some mulch jobs. So anyway, that's it. We're gonna pack these things up for the night and call it a night. Go visit with the fam. We will see you later. Hey, always give maximum effort and be kind to everyone. Even when you're having bad days like I did today, be kind to everyone. Just float them out.